Make a run with the Redcat Fusion. Pretty much mostly stock, except for some brass. Oh, and it's got the 28% overdrive gears in the transmission. I just want to hit those harder lines they came out with and see how this does with it. The rest of the guys are taking a break, I think. Got some cheap servo in it from another rig. Yeah, I really have no idea how these tires are going to work. They're super swampers with, I think, green inserts with some foam darts in them to stiffen them up. Stiffer in the rear than the front. They were on a heavier rig, so I don't know how this is going to work. So far, so good. We're just going to run through this pretty quick. We started late, and it's a long drive home. And I still have another rig I want to test. Made pretty short work of that. This was my first crawler, and I put it up for sale a while back, and there was zero interest in it. And I hadn't driven it in so long, and then finally I took it out, like, why do I want to sell this thing? It's pretty capable. I gotta figure out where we're gonna go from here. Okay. These tires do pretty good. Oh, and I just tried. Put you back up here again. And dismount I gotta do a second time because I wasn't paying attention and dropped it right into a wrong spot. There we go. The driver does his part. Makes it look very easy. Well, never attempted this before with this truck. Yeah, made pretty easy work of that too. Nope. Around so we can see what we're doing. I think we're just gonna go up and go right over to the hard stuff. This other new line that Chad found. I don't think it'll crawl out like that. No, it's not the spot anyway. You gotta come over this way and then come up in here. I'm gonna tell you, a more lightweight rig with hardly any bumpers on it to speak of really makes such a big difference. And these tires aren't doing too bad on these rocks either. I don't know what that feather's from. I'm not going to pick it up because you can get in trouble. Yeah, this shorter sliders, I think it was from DSM 3D printing. I don't remember. I don't know if I could do that. Well, look there. Nope. Not like that, you don't. You know, I ain't had it out here. That was pretty fast. Let me see how these tires do. Well, that was a cakewalk with this thing. Huh? Come on back down.